everybody, and welcome to the Vail Dailies on the Hill. This is your host, Sean Naylor. It is March 3rd, 2026, and I'm out here on Grouse Mountain after a 4-inch snowstorm. Alright, so I'm over here ripping it down Screech Owl on the far side of Grouse Mountain, which is mostly, it's all single black and double black diamond territory out here in Beaver Creek. And it's actually quite nice right now. On the lower parts of the mountain, we still have a pretty warm day. It's about 14 degrees out here, and the snow is rather sticky down there. Kind of have that little Velcro effect that isn't too pleasant. However, up here it's nice and cold, the snow is not sticky at all, and it's really fun. Woo! Alright, so you can still hear some of that chunder under me. Yeah. Please don't mind the fact that I will not be full pointing it down this mountain. It is a low snowpack here. One of the worst we've seen in decades. And whew, we're at about a 33-inch base out here in Beaver Creek at the beginning of March, which is not great. However, you do have to give credit to the people that have been managing this low snow year, because the operations team has managed to get 25 of 25 lifts open and more than 3/4 of the terrain. You know, so while we're lacking in fun tree skiing, yeah, the only trees you might see me go in this season will be some spread out aspens, things that, you know, most snow conditions exist right now. Lots of things are still poking out. But here I am just catching my speed at the bottom of the run. Check this little nice section out. Still lots of fun to be had on the mountain and off the mountain. We got the spring break crowd rolling in, and Beaver Creek is getting ready to roll out a whole month's worth of pretty awesome entertainment going on at the Bar Performing Arts Center. We got Dimitri Martin and Yacht Rock this weekend, and lots of other fun stuff going on. So check out the calendar, check out the Vail Daily events calendar at vaildaily.com. All the cool things for you all coming in. And I don't mean to distract from snow conditions by talking about events. We do have more snow on the way. We have another storm coming in this week, which OpenSnow.com predicts we'll get about 6 inches in total on Thursday and Friday. So those of you coming in for the weekend, you're gonna have some fresh snow to play with, and I highly recommend you do some of it out here on Grouse Mountain, which is the latest terrain opening in Beaver Creek. Completes our portfolio of having all their lifts open this season. Alright, as we make it down the final stretch here, you can hear a little more bit of that stuff. Stay on the high side of the mountain if you can. It's really nice up there. There's still some flakes falling. But yeah, if you were in the town of Avon this morning, you probably saw some raindrops. A little concerning. But you'll get some peace of mind if you make it all the way to the top here. searching for little fresh spots wherever we can find them. We just found a little spot. That is it, my friends. I want to thank you all for tuning in. This is Sean Naylor with the Vail Daily. Thank you for watching On the Hill. We hope to see you out here again this season. We'll definitely be seeing you here soon, Beaver Creek. Until next time.